Hi everybody, Mr InStitches here. I wanted to do a real quick video today to show you how to find the description box underneath our videos on your computer or your phone or your tablet. So we're going to start with the phone or the tablet. They're both very similar. So when you're on one of our videos on your phone and you're watching it here, and we say the link is in the description box below, it's not actually below visibly. You need to click on this tiny little arrow next to the title of the video. When you click on that arrow or tap on that arrow with your finger, you're going to get to this screen, which basically it opens up the description box underneath the video. So the video will still be playing and it'll open up the box. And that is where you will find all of the information that we have put there for the video, links to associated videos. And when that box is open, you can actually scroll up or down with your finger and go all the way through that box. Sometimes we have a little bit of links and sometimes we have a lot of links. So that's how you find it on a phone or tablet. When it comes to the PC, so your computer or your laptop, it's going to look like this. So underneath our channel name and a little description of the video, underneath the title, underneath the channel name, and a little bit of the description, you're going to see the words Show More. When you click on the Show More button, you're going to open up the description box, which looks like this. This is where you'll see the same information, and you can read through it. You can also click on these links and they will take you to other videos, associated videos, things that we have in our Etsy shop that are associated with the video. And that is how you find it on a computer or a laptop. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped. If you know anyone out there that needs this information, please share this video with them, help them out, and we really appreciate it when you do. Thanks everyone, we'll see you soon.